Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So basically what this video is going to be about is how I've dealt with my hair thinning. You guys can tell it's still kind of pretty thin, especially as it gets to the bottoms, but it's come a long way in life. About 10-ish years ago, I used to have a really thin hair. So embarrassing. I don't even like talking about it. I used to get picked on about it too when I was like in high school because my hair was so thin it literally wouldn't grow past here, and it would get like these really thin spurts right through here. Back then I would try the keratin shampoo. I would literally save every dollar of my lunch money to try to save up to buy it because it was expensive back then, and my parents didn't have money, we were poor. So I would spend all this money and it wouldn't even work, and it sucked. Because that's like a week of not eating lunch just to try to save up to get this keratin, expensive, fancy schmancy shampoo and conditioner that didn't even work. But then as I got older and when I had my first baby is when my hair started kind of taking off growing. So I realized that vitamins are definitely super important. So I started using vitamins, and then I also started using hair thinning type of shampoo and conditioner. Is the hair thinning solutions that I like to use that I believe have worked. When I told you again, I've used really crazy expensive ones that haven't worked, and then I've used ones from the drugstore that might have worked for a little bit but stopped working. I actually did a video on the Blue Label, and this is Pure Adore, and I'm super thankful because they asked me if I needed any more, like restock, things like that, and I was like, yes, I would love to try the Gold Label. So basically, if you guys haven't heard of them, they sell them at Ulta, Target, online, I'll link it below. They are deep moisturizing conditioner and shampoo, and they are targeted for thinning hair. So the Blue Label is more so if your hair is starting to thin. Gold Label is for people who have actively been losing their hair for a while and they have more noticeable thin/balding spots. What's great about this too is it's nice and safe for color treated hair. Like I said, it's really important if you color your hair to protect it because you want as less amount of damage as possible. Now this is formulated to thicken your hair, which I've noticed so much. Okay, so this is another embarrassing story. When I was lasering my face, like here, I guess I didn't put my hair back enough, and then I kind of broke a bunch of pieces, which is, oh my god, I'm an idiot. So I've definitely been making sure to use these guys, and I've noticed that, so when you fry your hair gets like these crazy split ends. It looks like a patch of grass growing up. Like it looks kind of maybe like you stuck your finger in a socket a little bit. It's not a pretty sight. So since I've been using these guys on it, it's made especially a huge difference. It's made that area where I kind of really took a toll on my hairline. As you can see, it's looking a lot better. It's made it nice and softer, which makes it blend in with my other hair a whole lot better instead of it just being like and looking all like frizzy and crazy. So that's nice that it's done that. And I can tell too, it's made it kind of like silky again, so it doesn't feel as ragged and edgy, whereas, so like I said, it feels like kind of like the rest of my hair. So it's definitely made a huge difference with that, thank God. Now they are all natural, all gluten-free, soy-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, which is amazing. I've kind of talked about it on my Instagram. So I did this hair thing with Chris Appleton. If you guys don't know him, he's like this fancy schmancy celebrity hair person for like Kim K and the Grande and the J-Lo and all those kind of cool people. So he did my hair, and the first thing I said to him was like, why is my hair so thin? Like, what do I do? What do I do? Help. Because he was giving me that Ariana ponytail. He said, I know it sounds like the new trend, but not using the sulfates is a huge deal. It definitely helps. So since I switched over to not using sulfates, I have definitely noticed a difference in my hair being thicker, smoother, shinier, my color staying longer, my color staying a little bit more vibrant. So the problem with shampoos that have a lot of chemicals and different things like that, it's really going to weigh your hair down. And if you have really thin hair like I do, the last thing you want is something that's really going to weigh it down. What I've noticed from using a premium type of shampoo and conditioner that has all natural products, it doesn't weigh my hair down. Like, I don't feel greasy. I don't feel like it's heavy. I feel like my hair can still kind of blow in the wind. It doesn't feel sticky. It doesn't bring out each strand to make my hair look kind of stringy, which makes it look even thinner to begin with. So that's what I really like about it. So these have, let's see, biotin, some of them I can't really say, so I'm not even going to pretend to try to pronounce them and then completely ruin it. Argan oil, amla oil, saw palmetto, black cumin seed oil. So all different stuff that's nice and natural and organic. I know a lot of women too who have went through menopause, and they've also dished out tons of money to a lot of different treatments, shampoos and conditioners. If that didn't work, I would definitely recommend this. I know there's so much on the market that can be pretty overwhelming, so I'm really happy to share what I like, what works for me, and what I think about things. So I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.